guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I was actually gonna do how to get a big t-shirt from Walmart and cut it up into a cute crop top and some shorts, but I realized the fabric was actually too see-through, so I ended up doing it still a crop but into kind of like a cute summer vibe set, like those things that you throw over your swimsuit. So with this, actually I haven't cut it because I am gonna use this for practice, but I think before I go, I'm gonna cut it into a V shape because right now it looks like, you know, like granny, like if you can't see my bottom, because right now y'all can't see my bottom, you know, like it looks like just like a granny like top look, which would actually be a look. But yeah, I might cut it before I go and I might insert that video somewhere in there. But if not, it's still like a really cute top. Like if you want to be more cheeky, then cut it. If you don't, then, you know, cover yourself like this. Either way, you're gonna take it off and wear your swimsuit. So yeah, and honestly, this video was super unexpected. Like I'm currently packing to go to practice in San Antonio, and I was cutting one of my shirts and I was like, oh, maybe I should cut like another shirt. And then I was like, oh, I've been wanting to make a video of a crop top and making some shorts out of the same shirt. And I was like, I'll just do the crop top right now and then cut the bottom and do the shorts later because I don't have time to sew it right now. But it turned out to be a total different thing, and it ended up being a cover-up for when you go swimming. So I actually really liked it because it's like super simple. Like it doesn't look like super bougie, right? But it's really simple and it's really cute. Like you can actually buy like you can buy some sweatshirts that are actually some t-shirts that are actually like with a design or something, and it will look really cute. So it's super simple. It was like made by accident, totally, this total video. I even like surprised myself as the video goes on. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and this is basically like I even surprised myself on this one. So yeah, here it is. Okay guys, so I have my shirt. I accidentally bought like an extra large shirt at Walmart because I thought I needed it for a project, and I ended up not needing it. So this is what I'm going to use to make the crop and the shorts out of. So first thing you do is you got to put it on and measure where you want it to stop. So this is the shirt I just showed you guys. It's obviously way too big for me. I'm wearing shorts underneath and it's still like longer than the shorts. So what you want to do is you want to kind of just roll it in and see where you would like to cut it. I would recommend, you know, using a pen or something to mark it, but also make sure that, like, let's say I want it there, just remember that whenever you like raise your hands up, it goes higher. So always leave, like, if you really want to hear like not any higher, then make sure you cut it lower than that, because whenever you raise up your hands, it's gonna go like really, really high. So for me, I don't really mind because I'm going to be using it for practice. So like I'm going to have a sports bra underneath, but I'll probably cut it like up to like here around there. Either way, like the shorts are like high-waisted and the shorts I want to make are going to be high-waisted too. So yeah, just mark it and cut it. So I ended up marking it with a snip with the scissors. So that's easier for me because it's white, so I don't want to get like a line marked on it. And what you do is you just like snip through the back, so that way you have a marking point for both sides. And also what I forgot to mention was that for me, the shirt has to be pretty small because out of the bottom I plan to make some shorts. So if you don't plan to make some shorts, then you can make it, you know, as long as you want. But if you plan to make some shorts, then make sure to leave a lot of space underneath, because then you won't be able to cover your booty. So like I mentioned, I'm going to be using this shirt to practice in, so I don't really need it to be super long. But look, this is what I mentioned before. Whenever you raise up your hands, it's obviously going to go like a lot higher. And like I said, I'm going to be wearing a sports bra underneath, so it doesn't really matter to me. But, you know, just be aware of that. And obviously the back will always come out longer, which is good because, you know, booty props. But yeah, this is my finished look of my top. I'm not adding like some people stitch it underneath, which you can, but I kind of like that raw edge look, so I will not be stitching it. So this is pretty much it for the top. I noticed it's a really good, it would make a really cute skirt actually. So I'm gonna show y'all how to make it into a cute skirt. And you don't even have to sew it, like literally just like tie a knot. Okay guys, so this is the bottom piece, and like I said, I wanted to make them shorts, but I noticed they're very see-through, so I'm probably never gonna use them because they're super see-through. So instead, I remembered I'm going to the beach in a week actually, so I thought this would be super cute to wear just in the beach, because it doesn't matter, you know, whenever you're in the beach, it doesn't matter, they can see through, like if they can see your swimsuit, because that's technically what it's for. So what I did is I kept the stitched part underneath, so it's already like a done look, and at the top all I'm gonna do is just wrap it around, like basically how you do a bun in your head, and just tie it around. Basically you just have it like this, and you get the edge, and you just grab it like this around your wrist, and just, around your wrist, around your hand, twist it and make like a little flower. Like that, and pull it through, and it automatically makes those little like cute things that are like in swimsuits, and I think this is gonna be really cute for a beach look. I might also wear the top because it's just, I don't know, kind of cute. I could also like tie it or something. Like, I don't know, it might be a vibe, you know, like, or it might be too much. Let me try. If I tie the top also. Yay! This would actually be really cute, y'all, for like a beach vibe. I would actually recommend, if you're going to the beach and you want to wear something like this, to cut it like a V. You know, I think I just did something. This is so cute for the beach. So, yeah, y'all, if y'all want to go to the beach in this, literally buy it at Walmart for like $3, extra large, and just, ooh, kill it, sis. You guys liked it and enjoyed me like surprising myself. It was totally unexpected. As you can see, I was just like going with it. I saw it, I visualized this, I did it. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe and to comment down below, because I will be posting more videos, God willing. So hope to see y'all soon. Kisses. Also, I don't know why I can't talk, and my dog is just barking in the background. XOXO.